Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
All aboard the rainbow train, choo choo choo, here we go. Red and orange, yellow too, colors everywhere we know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, scene. Rainbow train goes choo choo choo, learning colors with me and you. See the red like a shiny apple, orange like a juicy carrot bright, yellow like the sun up high, green like leaves in the light. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, scene. Rainbow train goes choo choo choo, learning colors with me and you. Blue like the sky so wide, indigo like a nighttime ride, violet like the flowers bloom, rainbow colors in every room. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, scene. Rainbow train goes choo choo choo, learning colors with me and you. Rainbow train slows down now, choo choo choo. Colors in our hearts today, choo choo choo, fade away.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.